Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we are going to continue on Unit 10. Be aware, take care. Okay, we are going to read two texts and answer some questions. Are you ready? The first text that we are going to read is Road Safety Campaign. Okay, class, I will read this text, so please listen. Road Safety Campaign. Safe Malaysia team will conduct a week-long road safety campaign to promote safe driving and riding habits. The objective of this campaign is to raise awareness amongst Malaysian motorists to drive and ride safely on roads. The campaign will be held nationwide during school holidays and festive seasons. Participating companies will distribute flyers at the toll plazas to promote road safety tips like buckle up, seat belt save lives, and helmet on, headlights on. The Safe Malaysia team will work together with Himda Motor Sendirian Berhad to give out mini hampers consisting of chocolate bars, light snacks, mineral water, and a safety kit to motorists at main toll plazas throughout the country. Motorists who fill up fuel at designated petrol stations from 20th to 24th December will also get a free vehicle check. The Road Safety Department will provide a demonstration on safety tips. Motorists are encouraged to drop in and learn the importance of wearing seat belts, safety helmets, and adhering to the speed limits. For cyclists, they will provide it with tips on the proper use of hand signals, wearing helmets, and safety gear. Free reflective clothing will be given to the first 100 attendees. Okay, now let's discuss about the text. Okay, the first one, what is campaign? Okay, it's to organize a series of activities to try to achieve something. Okay, the road safety campaign can be defined as purposeful attempts to inform, persuade and motivate a population to change its attitudes and behaviors to improve road safety. The objective of the campaign to raise awareness amongst Malaysian motorists to drive and ride safely on roads. Okay, so what will they do? First, distribute flyers at the toll plazas to promote road safety tips. Second, give out mini hampers. Okay, it's not many. Okay, sorry for the wrong spelling. Third, motorists will get a free vehicle check. Fourth, a demonstration on safety tips. And the last one, free reflective clothing to the first 100 attendees. Okay, now we are going to discuss the exercises given. You may refer to your English textbook, page 96. Okay, we are going to fill in the blanks. Road safety campaign. Okay, the first one, duration. Okay, the answer is 1 week. Okay, location. The answer is nationwide. Time of the year. First, school holidays. Second, festive seasons. Okay, the objective to raise awareness amongst Malaysian motorists to drive and ride safely on roads. Okay, now let's look at the safety tips. Okay, for motorists, wearing seat belts, safety helmets, and adhering to the speed limits. For cyclists, proper use of hand signals, wearing helmets and safety gear. Okay, and the last one, contents of mini hamper. Chocolate bars, light snacks, mineral water, and a safety kit. Okay, now let's answer these 3 questions. Okay, the first question, why do you think the campaign is held during the school holidays and festive seasons? Okay, look at the answer. The campaign is held during the school holidays and festive seasons because to reach more road users, as it will be a drastic rise in number of road users during the school holidays and festive seasons. Okay, now look at the second question. List 3 things mentioned in the text above that can prevent accidents on roads. Okay, look at the answer. The first one, wearing seat belts. Second, wearing safety helmets. And the third one, adhering to the speed limits. Okay, the third question, how does wearing reflective clothing help a cyclist? Okay, the answer is reflective clothing like neon apparel. It will attract the attention of the driver so they take note of the cyclist. Okay, now we are going to read the second text, Safety Rules and Regulations in Living Skills Workshop. Safety rules and regulations must be strictly adhered to when you are in the Living Skills Workshop to prevent injuries or accidents. General safety. Inform the teacher immediately if an accident or injury occurs. Ensure the workshop has sufficient lighting and good ventilation. Seek permission before using any equipment. Clean any oil spill on the floor immediately. Personal safety. Read and understand the steps and procedures before starting an activity. Use aprons, gloves, and masks during all activities. Wash hands with soap and water after practical activities. Equipment safety. Use equipment and materials with caution. Store equipment safely after use. Store hazardous and flammable materials in the appropriate place. Okay, now we are going to discuss the questions. You may refer to your English textbook, page 97. State true or false. The first question, get consent before using any tools. Okay, you may refer to the text. It stated that seek permission before using any equipment. So the answer is true. The second question, do not put away equipment after each use. Okay, the answer is false. You can see from the text, store equipment safely after use. Okay, number 3, inform your friend immediately if any injury happens. The answer is false. You have to inform the teacher, not your friend. Number 4, hands must be washed with water after practical activities. Okay, the answer is false. You have to wash your hands with soap and water. Okay, number 5, aprons, gloves and masks are only used in certain activities. Okay, the answer is false. You have to use them during all activities. Okay, and the last one, number 6, the workshop should have adequate lighting and good ventilation. Okay, the answer is true. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.